Let's say you want to practice a challenging conversation at work, or maybe as a seller, you have a new product launch and you want to practice a customer discovery call. Our AI roleplay is your perfect conversation partner. So we're going to start by putting in the title. We're going to select the customer discovery call scenario. You'll notice there were other scenarios there. That will all depend on what is available to your organization. We'll say this person's very busy and they're female. I'm going to opt to save my video for playback because I want to review after the fact. But if you select no, because we process all computer vision in real time on device, we actually will not record, store, or transfer your video. So we'll select the device. Ready to go?
Hi, Rachel. Thanks for taking the time to speak with me today. I'm looking forward to learning more about your company and how it can help us address some of the challenges we're currently facing. Please go ahead and ask me anything you'd like to know.
Great, thank you. And I know you're busy, so I'll get right to the point. We only have 15 minutes. Last time you had said that one of the biggest challenges for your team is in presenting confidently right from the get-go in those first few minutes of getting on the call with clients and customers. Is that still the case?
Yes, that's still a major pain point for us. We've actually lost a few potential clients recently because our team didn't quite nail the initial pitch. I mean, we know our stuff, but somehow we're not conveying that confidence and expertise to the customer right away. What I need is a solution that can help us fix this quickly because every missed opportunity is costing us time and revenue.
Totally. So what I'd like to show you is what we call our practice mirror, and it is a great way to get every single seller on your team a private coach that they can practice with on demand in their own time. And we can set it up so that the practice mirror that they're using to run through that new product pitch, again, going through that initial part of any sales call, is getting analyzed and they're refining it so that it is hitting the marks and they're showing up with confidence every time. I can show you a quick demo of that just to give you a visual. How does that sound?
That sounds interesting, but before you show me the demo, can you tell me how this practice mirror is going to give me measurable results? I mean, I need to know that this is going to actually improve our sales numbers and not just be another tool that we're paying for. What kinds of data or analytics does it provide? And how will I be able to track the progress of my team?
Yes, absolutely great questions. And honestly, I am going to show you I'm going to show you the answers to these questions. So the feature I was telling you about is practice mirror here, right? And so we can go into it, we can practice our new product pitch, etc. And you go through this whole thing and it's really, really amazing, right? I'm not going to go through that right now, but what I will show you is a report. So let's say that we just did a quick practice mirror. Will actually give you feedback on some of the exact things that you are looking to see improved in your team. Authority impression, for example, will give you feedback on filler words, pausing and repetition, nonverbal cues as well, which we know sometimes speak louder than words. Are there any other metrics here on the screen that I'm sharing that you think would be interesting?
So I see you're showing me the report from the practice mirror. I'm interested in the eye gaze metric since that's an area where my team struggles. A score of 68% is decent, but I'd like to see improvement. What specific strategies would you recommend to help my team improve their eye gaze during presentations? And how does the practice mirror provide feedback on this? Is it just a general score, or are there actionable tips provided?
Yes, absolutely. We provide a series of tips, either through these tip toolbars here, how to correct little videos, and then of course we have our full learning lab, which will give you lots of feedback and information on different types of ways that you can improve. So I'm going to stop sharing just for now and end this role play. And as you can see, right, that was a highly engaging, I could have kept going on and on with this AI, very highly emotionally intelligent and very realistic. Now we're going to wait for our results. They're in. We can go and review the results, which quite frankly are similar to what I was showing on the demo with the AI. I'll go to my full assessment score details. I'll see just the overview of what it was that I selected, and then things that went well, things to consider doing differently, our classic audience perception metrics. We have the video playback again because I had selected to do that, and you'll see that it also shows the screens that I was sharing, so we have a nice reference point to that. And then finally, of course, the transcription tab, which we can tweak in terms of different elements for analysis. Right? So if your company is looking to provide feedback according to specific frameworks, we can do that as well. So in a nutshell, this was our AI roleplay. Here you can see the analysis for conciseness coming through. Again, that's pretty boilerplate for us, but we can get really, really down into the details. So looking forward to having you try it out.